Welcome back. So today we are going to install the CNG kit to the vehicle, CNG electronics. So let me take you to our screen here. Let me hopefully make it more descriptive. This is an injection unit. I think we talked about it the last time. All right. This is the ECU that would power the CNG installation we have here. So come with me. Yeah. So I don't know, where do I stand? Am I good here? Are we good? All right. So MP48 4-cylinder injection control unit. All right. Yeah. Stop. Now I want this whole section. Okay. You know what? Let's start with this part. Good. So remember when I was telling you about the wires, the wire for the MAP sensor, the black and orange wire for the water temperature sensor, the blue and black wire for the valve in the tank. Take it this way. And then the interruption. Good. Freeze it that way. Camera, are we good? Good. So interruption basically means this. Your yellow wire would go straight to the injector while it cuts the original connections for the injector and then loop it back to the ECU. Same thing you would do on the green wire. So the green wire would now power the injector while the ECU gets the feedback from the original ECU of the car. So you're sort of interrupting the connections going to the car. So that way, it's more of a, how would I put it? The CNG ECU tends to take over the sequence of injections of the car, the original sequence. And then you have it on all 4 injectors. So you have the yellow wire going straight to the injector. You have the yellow and black wire going back to the ECU, green, red, blue. All right. And then you have the 12-volt with ignition key, red and white there. If for perspective, let's go back here again. You would see those connections as yellow. So yellow with the yellow stripe, green with the green stripe, blue with the blue stripe, and red with the red stripe. And then again, your positive connection there. There's a part of this I haven't shown you. I mapped this out using my multimeter. All my injector connections. Can you come down this way? Is it possible? Are we good? We good? Good. So all my injector pulse connections come from here. And I took out time to map out the 4 injectors. So I have cylinder 1 as white, cylinder 2 as gray, cylinder 3 as blue, and cylinder 4 as brown there. And then the main positive wire that takes ignition to the injectors as the green one. I didn't label it because it's the last wire. So what we would do is cut these wires and interrupt them with these connections. So each of these connections are going to be soldered. So that might take a while again, but we'll do probably like a few connections in slow speed and the rest in super speed so you don't get bored. Basically that is. Then we're going to locate a proper position for the ECU, possibly somewhere at this point, and then close up this section and install the high pressure line, and then basically we'll be done with here. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and we should be done with this section of the car as soon as possible. So stick around while we work.